So today I have a very exciting video. I probably say that in every intro of my videos, but I'm always excited to film, you know? Today I have a look inspired by Holly Boon. I will put it on the screen right now. It's a very kind of like sunset kind of vibes. I absolutely love it. I'm using the Sample Beauty palette, which is absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel before you leave, and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment down below, you know, let me know. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, yes, I have wet hair again, but I quite like it, you know? And I don't know, I like the slicked back, it's out of my way, blah blah blah, and I liked how my photos turned out. So yeah, I have a few blemishes on my face, don't know why, and there's a bird outside making a strange, very strange noise, and then it stops. Every time I speak, it makes a noise. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a look inspired by Holly Boon. I will put the photo up on the screen right here, but I'm going to be using the Sample Beauty palette, the Paradigma Shift palette. I'm not sure if it's number 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. I believe it's the first one because it doesn't say any numbers on it. So yeah, that is what I'm going to be doing today. Like every time I do my makeup, I'm going to be using the Plouise base in the shade 0, and I'm going to put this on the back of my hand. As per usual, when I'm doing the speed up process, I'm going to be watching the true crime videos because I like watching them. I'm currently watching Amber Loves Mystery True Crime. She's good. She does what's the word? She does like mumble sometimes, but she's good. She's okay. Anyway, so I'm going to put this all over my eyelid and carve out my eyebrows with the Sigma Concealer F75 brush, which looks like this.
Invincible.
Now I'm going to jump into the palette. I'm going to be taking the red shade in the palette to start off with on a Morphe M151 brush. So then next, with the same brush, I'm going to be taking the orange next to the red. I'm also going to be, as you can tell, keeping it rounded, like a rounded shape. So yeah, I'm going to put the orange 50% on and 50% off the red, just so it blends seamlessly. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking the bright yellow shade. Again, I'm going to be putting this like in a rounded shape, and half on the orange, half not, of course. And I'm of course, going to be using the blank canvas E10 brush. Can't do a Holly Boon inspired look without this brush, so I'm going to pop this above that. And yes, we are going quite high today, pretty much into the brown.
Here we go.
Okay, so after blending all them shades out, I am now going to cut the crease. We're only going to be doing a half cut crease for today, as you can see from this eye. So I'm going to just go ahead and use the Plouise base again, and the same brush as we used for the base. Okay, so I've cut the crease as best as I can. Now I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to take this dark-ish purple shade. And I'm going to take that on a Morphe M506 brush. And I'm going to pat this on the outer corner. I'm not going to go too high with this shade. Now I'm going to add a different colour, so I'm going to be adding this pink shade here. It's kind of like a dark pink, and I'm going to jump to the Morphe M151 brush again, and I'm going to put this in the centre part of my lid.
Invincible.
Okay, so now I'm going to jump into the white shade, and I'm going to pop this in the inner portion of the cut crease. So now I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and clean up under the eye. I need to stop slouching. I'm going to add a little bit of liner. I'm going to use the Soap & Glory Supercat liquid liner in black, and then I'm going to use a black pencil, which is also from Soap & Glory. And I'm going to do the tiniest little line just to hide the lash band. Okay, so I just applied the liner and the false eyelashes off camera because it was easier. So I used the Eden lashes in E05. The packaging just looks like this. I will link them down below, as well as everything else, of course. Absolutely love these eyelashes, eyelash brand. Now I'm going to move on to the face. The primer, I want like a dewy look to my skin today, so I'm going to take two primers. So first I'm going to take the Benefit the Professional Pearl Primer, because I want to get rid of some pores, you know, just in the T-zone area. And then I'm going to go in with the Revolution Superfruit Extract Antioxidant Serum and Primer. So yeah, I'm going to go in with these two. going to go in with foundation. So the foundation today, I'm going to take the Colourpop No Filter foundation. I've only used this once or twice, I think, and it is a really nice foundation from what I've tried. Obviously once isn't that much to judge. Okay, this pump is shocking. Oh, it's really runny. And I'm going to take that with a sponge, of course. Lighting might have changed a little bit. It's 4 o'clock already. Jesus. I've been filming since like 2:30. So for concealer, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 05. I'm going to blend that out with a sponge again. Okay, so then for powder, I'm going to be using the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. This is quite a small pack, like size, but there's 8.5 grams in there. So I'm just going to press this under my eyes first. Get a big powder brush and just press that, make sure it's pressed into the skin like so. I always say that, like so. I was going to do liquid highlighter, but I always forget. Okay, so next I'm going to do a bit of contour. I'm going to use the Revolution Pro HD Powder Contour Kit. This is in the shade Beige. It's like this. I think I'm going to take a mixture of these two because this is a bit too cool tone and this is got a little bit of warmth, so I'm going to mix them two together. To carve out under the contour.
Here we go.
Then I'm going to add a bit of bronzer, so I'm going to take my usual Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade Sun Glow 25. Just add a bit of warmth to my face now. Seems I want my face to go well with the eyes. Now I'm going to go in with blush. So today I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Life's a Peach blush because again I want to keep with the warm tones like on my eyes. So I need to wipe this off my face. yeah, to everyone who hasn't seen my last video, I have shingles. And if you don't know, shingles is like the adult version of chickenpox. Yeah, don't know how I've got it, but it's obviously just reactivated, if you know what I mean. Okay, so to set my face, I'm going to use the MAC Fix Plus, but the Fix and Gold Light. It's got like gold glitter specks in it, and I want that dewy look, so you know. Oh, I love the smell of Fix Plus. Oh, do you know I've forgotten? I love it. Okay, so I'm going to go to my OG, which is the Mary Luminizer from the Balm. I think I just hit pan. It's like a teeny little bit. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go off camera and do my eyebrows, and I will be right back to do the lower lash line and the lips. Okay, so now I'm going to go on to the eyes again. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Boots, which is like a pinky purpley colour, and I'm going to put that in the waterline. Ooh, it's quite pigmented. I'm going to take the purple shade that we took and put this as close to the lash line as possible. Then I'm going to take the orange shade. I would take the red, or actually I'm going to mix the both red and the orange, and I'm going to place that just underneath the purple. And then lastly I'm going to take the yellow shade and really smoke that under the eye, making sure it's blended up to the outer corner. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of the Mary Luminizer to the inner corner. So now I'm going to add some mascara to the lower lash line. Okay, so lastly I'm going to do the lips. So today I'm going to take the Colourpop Lippy Pencil in the shade BFF, which is a nice nude, and then I'm going to fill all my lips with this liner, and then I'm going to go on top with the Boon lip gloss, which is the HMB Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Can't Deal. This is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I will link everything down below, also Holly Boon's YouTube and Instagram, so you can go check her out because she is stunning. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you can see more looks like this from me. If you want anything in particular for me to film, then please put your ideas down below in the description, in the comments below. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.